Hi, this is Ancy from Chennai. So I did my digital marketing course with the Digital Buddy in the year of 2021. So enrolling in that course was the best decision that I've ever made. So I was introduced by one of my friend. So when I started doing that course, it was great for me. So because I was I was exposed to a lot of learnings and which I didn't have much idea about. I was very much interested towards marketing. So marketing, into internet marketing, social media marketing, all the strategies and how do you do it, and what are the things that you can do. So this is all very creative. This is all very fascinating to learn about. So I had a great experience in terms of learning. So something that I really liked doing was content writing because I was really struggling with what I want to do with my creative side, because I didn't have any. I'm not a very creative person, but enrolling in this course did help me open up to be more creative, because I know I like to write, but I didn't have an idea that I was not aware that I can write a content, and I didn't have the guts to publish them. But with the help of John sir, who did motivate me, who pushed me to write more contents, and he did figure out that I was good at writing contents. So he always used to tell me that work on this skill, because this skill is going to help you and all that, which did help me. So because I'm just extremely thankful for sir for that. And he did help me by giving a lot of assignments as well, because that those assignments did made my content writing skill better day by day. So day by day my skill did become better, which was great, because I had no idea I can do it. So it was an amazing experience for me, and he was always available to clarify doubts, and for any kind of trouble you're facing in terms of understanding the session or anything. So I had a great experience in terms of learning, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, I'm just extremely thankful to sir for his constant support, and the learning that I had, it's all because of him. So I'm just thankful, and I also had genuine interest, so which did made easier to learn and understand this course more better. This course more better. So yeah, I had a great learning. I had a happy learning. It was a cool session. It was always a cool session for me, and with him especially. So yes, so if you're someone who is looking for to learn more about digital marketing, and you have no knowledge about it, you really want to learn, and you're generally interested, I think you can enroll yourself with Digital Buddy. I'm sure you'll get enough support and guidance from your end, with saying that you will also get to learn and gain enough knowledge about it. So I hope it helps, and thank you.